guys, good morning. Welcome to the vlog. I just got back from dropping the girls at school and it's breakfast time for me and the boy. If he could, he'll eat me up. He's going to be 6 months old in few days, 8 days, right? In 8 days time, and less than 2 weeks ago I decided to start giving him baby food because breast milk was no longer enough for him. So yeah, let me show you his collection. But for myself, I just want something simple and sweet, so I'm making French toast. I got this after meal, the advanced after meal for him. They say it's suitable for combination feeding if you're still breastfeeding, because of course I'm still breastfeeding him. It's just I'm combining it with something else. And this biscuits, I made this for this boy last night and he absolutely loved it. He finished the whole bowl. You see, he's confirming it. I think I need to get a bigger container. This is a lazy Susan for his food collection. He has this at night, and yeah, so far you see we've gone almost halfway through it. I think the boy loves it because he always finishes his bowl. Yeah, I'm gonna make this for him this morning. I also got few food pouches for him. If they were in a container, I would bring them all down. This would be for emergency when I don't have time to quickly make him a bottle or the cereal. He's ready for breakfast. Let's give him about 20 minutes because it's going to make me suffer. I'll dance and dance before he eats his food. I had to move him here because the dining table is too low for my back. It's important that us women preserve our backs. Can you see how far we have come? I think he's very hungry because usually he would make me dance before finishing his bowl, boy. Yeah? You see, he said, "Hey, I'm hungry. I'm very hungry." Right? We're almost done. Almost done. We're done. And he's gonna get a good, you know. Why is that now?
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on my knees. Cause you really want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? I pull my hair up, ask me how to feel. You find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause the point of crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I
join me for my morning breakfast. I'm going to show you the after. Let me eat off camera. I'm going to pick up my second daughter from creche. Their creche is for only 3 hours, and there's an hour interval between picking up the second and first. So my second daughter closes at 12 and the other one closes at 1:10. And my second daughter's school is right in my estate, so it's just like 5 minutes walk and about a minute's drive. And the first daughter, her school is about 7 minutes drive from my house. So let's do the first errand.
When it comes to money, I did concentrate. But I tell you straight, you are not my bitch. If you become, you shall not be head of state. For my people, then go say, I know one bite, I know one die, I know one private. I want enjoy, I want jump life, I want private, I want food, I still want some.
Remember that last week we said when you vlog? Yes, so in 4 years time. My daughter was just asking me why it's so sunny. Because the weather has been somehow. This is Ireland. 1 minute it's raining, the next minute it's sunny, the next minute it's windy, and don't be surprised if it starts to snow. So it's sunny because we're in Ireland. Ireland where the weather changes as it pleases. Actually, you know, but you were asking me why it's sunny. You don't know why it's sunny? Yeah. The weather in Ireland changes at will.
Mommy, the weather is cold and down in the sky. It's already hot.
Yeah. Did you hear her? So the weather is actually cold. I made a little mistake of not wearing my jacket because I was running late and I knew I was going to turn on the heater. Right now it's 7 degrees. When I went into her school to pick her, my hands are beginning to freeze. I couldn't just wait to run into the car. So in Ireland, even though you see the sun, it's actually freezing underneath. The weather changes.
It's cold and sunny.
Yeah, right now it is. Maybe before we get home, the sun would have gone down. Right?
I don't think so.
Okay. You'll find out when we get home.
You will see.
We all will see. There's someone driving behind me and he's
Mommy, did you see that fireplace?
Yes, I see it.
Why is there a fireplace over there?
I don't know. There's someone driving behind me and he's acting as if he wants to run over the car to get to wherever the hell he's going. And on this road, You cannot overtake. I mean, I'm driving at speed limit. I don't understand why he's following me like that. Is it funny?
He's still following you.
He's actually going his way. It's just he's too close. If I brake suddenly, there'll be a crash. And he's an older man. I thought older people drove more carefully.
Mommy,
Yes?
how old will be 101 years old?
But you grow from 1 to 100 years old.
I don't want to be 100 years old.
Okay, let's focus on where we are right now, okay? There's no need for you to talk about whether you want to be 100 years old or not.
13.
Let's just enjoy it.
Mommy, I saw 13.
13 what?
13 over there.
Okay.
13 on the side.
Is that 13?
I saw 13 on the side.
Okay, you mean what? 13 or dirty?
13 on the side.
Okay.
You didn't see it.
I was keeping my eye on the road. I'm driving, remember?
Hey.
Do you remember that I am driving?
Now he's not following you.
Yeah, he was going his way. Like I said, he was going his way, but then he wanted me to speed. So he's giving me a very close marking, which I don't really like. You know, if you've watched a lot of movies, and in movies, when a car begins to give another car a close marking, it's the sign that, oh, maybe they want to hijack the car or shoot the person in the car or kidnap. So I've seen a lot of movies like that whenever I'm driving and a car is following me exactly, sometimes I take a detour. Meanwhile, in reality, the person is just going their way. We're home. Yeah.
The sun didn't go down. The sun is over there now.
Yeah, but it's no longer as bright as it was when we were on our way, right?
I want to
Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity, full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. No, I wanna be around. You talking more and more, I just think we ever be so crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if you ever wanna drive down, I need to hear it from you, but can we know you can tell me how to fuck me up, don't let me down. Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart's in your hand? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, gotta trust who I let the truth. Got me questioning what you've done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. No, I wanna be around.
You guys, thank you so much for watching today's vlog. It's been a super long day. The day has not ended yet. I think it's almost around few minutes to 5 p.m. That's 4:45. But I'm already tired. I wish it was night time already, but there is still time. I'm gonna pick my husband up around 8
What about
p.m.
me too?
We're all going.
Yay!
Yeah, around 8
Auntie
p.m.
Puss is gonna sit beside me.
Okay, no problem. So, as I was saying, I'll pick him up at 8 p.m. I have so much videos to edit, so I'm going to do as much as I can before finally going to sleep. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel if you are not subscribed yet, and I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.